makes Canva export stuck at 0%. If your Canva export is stuck at 0%, it usually indicates an issue with the design, browser, or internet connections. So first of all, you have to understand Canva supports Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and Edge. Switching browser can resolve compatibility issues as well. So you could try using a different browser, see whether the issue will be fixed or not. Apart from it, you could also try clearing your browser cache and cookies. So here on the browser, you want to open a new tab, go to the three dot icon from the top right, scroll up to select settings. So when you go to settings, what next you need is come to privacy and security. As you go to privacy and security, make sure to delete the browsing data. Now here you have to make sure to select browsing history and unmark for the cookies and other sites. After which, click on delete data and then close it and restart, see whether the issue will be solved or not. Despite that, if the issue still persists on, you could also disable browser extension that could be causing problems. So click on the extensions icon from the top of the page. And then if you have some sort of extension installed to your device, you might want to make sure to remove it until the issue has been fixed. If this tool by checking the file size and element, so very large designs, especially those with videos, sometimes cause issues. So consider reducing the video length, resolutions, or breaking down. And apart from it, you could also check for grouped element, ungroup elements that are unnecessary group, and this can sometimes cause issues during the export as well. So these are some of the ways in order to fix Canva got stuck at 0%. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.